Greetings, YouTube. This is a silver top flyer coming at you from North Georgia. And this video will be titled An Answer to Drone Worship. Alright, I'm back here with you. So when someone that's really new buys a drone and they don't know what in the hell they're doing, and their drone only flies one time, this is what happens when they go to fix it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the board that got burned up. You might be able to get you a screenshot. I don't know. I've still got the camera module. I've still got everything that was inside. It flew one time. So, in the answer to Drone Worship's question, no, it's not a good idea to fix your own stuff. This is what happens when you fix your own stuff. Okay, so in synopsis, we figured out that it's not a good idea for someone, beginner, mid-grade flyer, gravity to fire, whatever you want to call it. It's not a good idea for somebody to go fixing their own stuff when they have no clue what they're doing. Hubsan, you suck. Go ahead, try to take my channel down. I'll just make another one. I got everything backed up. This is Silver Top Flyer, signing out.